Hello everyone. So today we will learn how we SQL Server and in which I will cover a topic how we will create a database and how we will create table and how we will insert data into that table and how we will update the data. Okay. So let's start. So for this we have required SQL Server Express, which is free edition for practice, and you need SQL Management Studio to open the SQL database. So I'm going to open Management Studio. So you can directly download it is freeware. So I'm going to connect with my database. So basically, first you need to install SQL Server Express, which is freeware, okay, and for local development, and then you need to install Microsoft Management Studio to open this database. So once you installed, you will, if you want to check, you guys just go there, and if you can check, the SQL Server provides some default database as well. But if you need to create your own database, I have already created one DB for myself. And if you want to create new database, you just go there and click on new database, and whatever database name you want, like I provided as DB Cyberway. So same you can provide whatever you want. Okay. Now in database, if you expand this, we have a multiple things like database diagram, tables, views, and all things. So first of all, we will cover how we create a table and how we will insert data in that table and how we will update the data. Okay, let's start. So I'm going to create a table. So I just open a query window here. So here we can write a script to create a table. So we have a multiple ways we can directly go here and click here, and they provide a design view as well. So here you can also create a database. Okay, so I'm going to tell you through script. So the script is like that: create table. Like I'm going to create an employee table. Okay, in which I am creating a first field ID. Okay, which is a unique field, which is type of int. Okay, int means it will take numeric values. Okay, and I am providing identity. Identity field is like that. It will increase this column by using +1 value automatically. We don't need to create a ID for employee every time. Okay. So basically, it will, we can put is not null value. Not null means it will not accept data without putting. I mean, you can't enter any blank value in this field. Okay, and now we will create another field which is emp name. So it will be varchar type, means it will take a numeric or character value as well. So the length we can decide is 30, and it will also not null. Okay, next one is the email. So obviously every employee must have an email. So we can like that, which is varchar type. We can put it 30 as well, and it will also not null. Okay, we will take three fields, and now if we are going to run this, so this is the button where we can execute the script. So now this table is created. Okay, so if you go here and refresh this database and open this table, and you can expand system tables. So it will show there's some system table, but here you can see the dbo.employee. Okay, so this is our table, whatever what we have created recently. Okay, so id, employee name, and email is there. Now if you go and check what data is there, so this is the command select star from employee. So select a star means it will show all the data from employee table. Once you select and execute, it will showing that there is no data here. Okay, now I will insert. So this is the insert command. Insert into emp. So here we need to pass a column name in which we want to insert the value. So basically we don't need to pass value into id fields because it is auto incremental. System employee name, emp name, comma, email, and we need to pass values like values would be like we provided a name Ram, okay, and email ID like Ram at the rate way sport dot in. Okay, so we just select this row, and when we execute this, it will show that one row affected means one row is inserted. If we select and open, so it is showing that one data is inserted. Now I want to update the employee name. I think sometime I feel that I missed the last name as well. So if I want to update the name, so this is the basic command. So update emp set emp name equal to whatever the updated name we need to put around Sharma. Okay, where this is the very important condition. So the id for Ram is 1, so which is the unique value for every data. So here we need to pass where id is equal to 1. So what happen, it will update the data only for this row. Okay, so this is the command. It is showing one row affected. When we go again and select the data from employee table, it will show Ram Sharma. Okay,